How to fix eFootball stuck on the loading screen in the mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your phone settings and then you have to go on the apps where all the app settings. Once you are in, you have to search for the eFootball. That is the application. Now once you're in, you have to go on your storage and here you have to click on the storage. Now you have to clear its cache. Once you clear the cache, you have to go on the Google Play Store and here you have to search for the eFootball. Now make sure that your eFootball game is update. After updating it, you have to restart your internet connection. Once you restart it, you have to go and sign in your game. So yeah, this is how you can fix eFootball stuck on loading screen in the mobile.